Belize IBCs are popular in the offshore world. They're easy to incorporate. They're cheaper than most other offshore companies. Opening an offshore bank account in Belize with a Belize IBC is straightforward. But what can you use a Belize IBC for? And are they worth incorporating? Welcome back to the Mundo channel, where we help high net worth individuals protect their assets, secure multiple citizenships, and legally minimize taxes. Visit libertymundo.com and get in touch for personalized strategies. Belize is a former British colony. It was formerly known as British Honduras. It gained independence in 1981. Because of its history as part of the British Empire, Belize is the only country in Central America that speaks English. Belize shares borders with Guatemala and Mexico. It has beautiful Caribbean beaches and a tropical climate. IBC stands for International Business Company. An IBC can do business anywhere in the world, but it's prohibited from doing business in Belize or with citizens of Belize. Belize has an efficient companies registry. It's one of the most cost-effective locations to incorporate offshore. IBCs can easily open bank accounts with banks in Belize. The legal system is based on English common law. Belize IBCs need only one director and shareholder. They are required to have a local agent and registered office in Belize. There is no corporation tax, capital gains tax, or transfer tax on Belize IBCs. Belize does not regulate the activities of companies outside its borders. It maintains the registry and charges a small annual fee to keep the company in good standing. No public disclosure is required of directors, shareholders, or beneficial owners. This information is provided to the registrar and the agent, but it's not available on any public database. There is no requirement to have Belize resident directors. No annual general meetings are necessary for a Belize IBC. Company meetings can be held anywhere in the world. Foreign judgments are recognized in Belize only if the court of the foreign country recognizes judgments made in Belize courts. There is no agreement for U.S. judgments to be recognized in Belize. UK judgments from the High Court in England or Scotland are recognized in Belize and can be presented to the High Court for enforcement. There's no requirement to file annual accounts for Belize IBCs. No records of accounts need to be maintained by the registered agent. No books and records need to be kept in the country. A brief annual return is all that's required to be filed. This contains only the most basic information. A small renewal fee is paid at the time of filing. A Belize IBC may be useful for some trading. It could be used to own specific assets like cars, boats, cryptocurrency, or real estate. It's not the best choice for a business that's doing a significant amount of transactions. There are better options for companies with regular operations. A Belize IBC will work well for specific uses, where there are limited counterparties, and it can survive with the limited banking and brokerage options available to it. If you need to incorporate an offshore company quickly and efficiently, head to taxfreecompanies.com by Liberty Mundo. You can incorporate cost-effectively in dozens of jurisdictions, as well as setting up bank accounts and using nominees for added privacy. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.